Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to the students of level 7. This is me, Miss Sobia from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Welcome to e-learning, the students of level 7. The chapter which we were doing was newspapers. And we have covered so many workbook exercises. Now today's the topic is relative pronouns and subordinated conjunctions. What are relative pronouns? Relative pronouns refer to someone or something that has been mentioned before in a sentence. They are always placed within a sentence, but they never begin a sentence. Now, do not confuse between the relative pronoun with the interrogative pronoun that begin question and always start sentence. Now, a relative pronoun always mentioned before a sentence, but it will not begin a sentence. It will come in the between or in the end, but we never use at the starting, neither at the end. For example, the toddler run towards the big boys who take pains not to trample on one child. Who is the relative pronoun? Whom, whose, which, and which. These are the all relative pronoun. A relative pronoun introduces a subordinate clause. It changes its form according to the function in the following clause. Subordinate conjunctions begin with either a relative pronoun or a subordinate conjunctions. Relative pronoun and subordinating conjunctions introduce subordinating clauses. They follow a main clause or begin with a sentence. They not make complete sense on their own. For example, here are some subordinating conjunctions as, because, after, although, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, while. Now, these are the subordinating conjunctions that help to complete the sentence, and they can complete the clauses as well. Now, these are the subordinating conjunctions. You have to use and complete the sentences by putting the subordinating conjunctions after the first clause. After the first clause, then you have to join subordinating conjunctions and then you have to complete the sentence. For example, the teacher let us listen to music dash we worked on our papers after. Just think of that: before, although, whenever, while, even though, since, until, where, when, that, because. I cannot find a good restaurant dash I can eat for a good price. She can visit her grandma. You have to use any one subordinating conjunctions and you have to join the sentence. Basically, subordinating conjunctions have to join the sentences with the help of the words after, before, although, whenever, while, even though, since, until, where, when, that, because. Best of luck, the students of level 7. I hope that you will do this work on time. I will be sharing the answers in my next class. Thank you.